The Blackview Hero 10 is definitely a huge deal, guys. This is the first foldable device from Blackview, a rugged phone brand, right? At the CES 2024 event, I was expecting Blackview to unveil a new flagship rugged phone or a new tablet or a new normal smartphone, but I wasn't expecting, nobody was expecting Blackview to unveil a foldable device. Blackview shocked every single one of us, guys. The Hero 10 should not be compared to the likes of the Galaxy Flip series or other top tier foldable devices from top phone brands in the world, but the Hero 10 is still a very nice foldable device, and I believe that we might start seeing foldable devices from many other rugged phone brands as well. You know, rugged phone brands like Ulefone, Nokitel, and the others. But I'm only speculating, okay? As regarding the specs of the Hero 10, it's not the best, but it's still quite nice. The device display measures 6.9 inches. Also at the back of the phone is a round-shaped 1.3-inch display, which is not bad. It looks real nice. And beside the circular red display are two cameras and an LED flash. The device has 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. And as regarding the cameras, they consist of a 108 MP primary sensor and a 32 MP ultra wide angle lens. The front facing camera is 8 MP. The battery consists of two parts divided into a 2700 and a 1300 mAh piece, which is reasonable for a foldable device. So these are some of the top features of the Blackview Hero 10, and according to Blackview, it's going to be launching this year. I don't know the exact date, and the price, in my opinion, would be very reasonable and of course very affordable. Anyway, what do you think about this new foldable phone from Blackview? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.